Hey guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to the channel, and today I've got the new version of TrendMood box. TrendMood box, this is the volume 3 box. If you want to hear all about my February volume 3 TrendMood, just keep on watching. Hey guys, it's Ella. Welcome to the video. My son is behind the camera again. We are on now take, 847. And we're going to get through this. I swear it. Or I'm going to fall asleep at this chair. One of the two. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are getting into the TrendMood box. This is the volume 3. It was $42. This is the third installment of TrendMood's box. Obviously, TrendMood box is from TrendMood 1. Sophie, she's an amazing Instagram. If you haven't checked out her page, please go check it out. Her box is totally reinventing subscription boxes, even though it's not a subscription box because she doesn't have a time frame. They're not quote-unquote monthly. She does them when she has enough items. This month we got 9 items for $42, so let's get into it. So this box, again, is their purple box, like they did the last 2 volumes. Inside, she has a lot of packaging. This month we had a bunch of these little rose petals, which is pretty cool. She did purple, obviously, as her theme. And we had the Scan Me again. I'll hold that up to the camera for a second so you guys can get a hold of that. All right. So she's definitely trying to go paper-free. The only paper we had in this box was this for the glow recipe. This one says it's a watermelon vitamin amino-rich fruit that soothes and hydrates. It's got coconut oil, coconut flour, sugar, hibiscus, AHA. And it's supposed to be, it's beyond a balm, beyond a scrub, and beyond a lip tint. It's supposed to do all 3. I don't know about all that. I have tested it out because, like I said, I've recorded this video 947 times. But here's the box that it came in. And the format is like this. It's very much like a lipstick. The smell is Jolly Rancher watermelon. So if you're not into Jolly Rancher watermelon, you might not like this. There's not a whole ton of product in here. So just an FYI if you do purchase this. I do see now that I've used it a couple times, there are some scrubbies. It kind of looks like Jaclyn Hill's lipsticks. I'm not going to lie. I might take a picture of this and insert it. But yeah, it's definitely got like a bumpiness there. The format is very shiny. Don't worry, guys. These are swatches from the Juvia's place because I did it before. It's very, very sticky. So I don't know that you would love this. Oh my God, it's so Jolly Rancher. So if you don't love Jolly Ranchers, you may not love this. But I'm happy to try it, a brand new product. That's one thing that TrendMood Box does do is bring all brand new products or almost all brand new products. So that's really definitely cool. And this is new to the market, so it's definitely something new to try. And if we get it in the box, why not? So I'm not mad about that. All right. Next we got from Good Molecules. This is the Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. This has a very strange format. So you know how you usually get the eye patches in like a pack of 1 or 2 eyes, but one use? This is like got 60 of them, 30 pairs lined up on top of each other. I hate opening it up because it's such a mess. So it comes like this. It has the little spoon on top. And then all the eye patches are sitting like in this goop. And it gets everywhere. So that's one thing that I don't like about this thing. The actual cream itself is very, very, very liquidy. It dries down with a little bit of tack. I'm just going to close this back up because, like I said, it's a mess. I don't know that it would be a bad eye patch, but I definitely know that the packaging is not my favorite because it is kind of messy. So unless you like really, really messy, you may not like these. But eye patches are great, especially if you've had a hell of a day at work and you really just need to chill for a little bit. They're great to put underneath your eyes, the little boomerangs. Amazing. All right, so next, we've got from e.l.f. all 3 of their poreless or putty primers. I've tried the poreless one before. It's really great for the nose, around the nose, or above the lip line. It's good for filling in. It's also a hydrating. It's got a hydrating squalene in it. They've got the matte. This is the Universal Sheer. And this is infused with canola clay and white charcoal. I may not be able to try this one because I can't do charcoal, but I will give it a little shot underneath my eyes and see how it does. Usually charcoal breaks me out. And then the Luminous Putty Primer is a universal glow. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. Collagen is not something you ever want to put on topically. It does nothing for you, but hyaluronic acid is really good. I can't even speak. Hyaluronic acid. So I'm excited to try this out, see if I like them. I have tried this one before. Like I said, it's a dupe for the Tatcha Subtanvis. I've had mine for quite a while. You can see it's quite nasty. I was never a huge fan of the Tatcha. I didn't think it did that much, but I actually like the e.l.f. one a little bit more. So we'll check those out. All right, so next we got, this is kind of where the value of the box really comes in. This is from Boscia. You've got 2 of the serums. Both of these serums have the twist tops, kind of like the QMS lip liner cream or some of my Retinexes. This one with the B12 has like this dark pink that's kind of like got to be shaken into there. And they zip up and down. This one and the other one don't have much of a scent. This one, however, has a very weird dry down, like almost like a dry oil. The other one's very, very hydrating. It's a vitamin C and lime, but this one smells more like lime than it does vitamin C, so that's interesting. But I'm excited to try them. They're both serums. They're both pricey from a good brand, so I'm happy about that. All right, so last thing was 2 eyeshadow palettes, the berries and the violets from Juvia's Place. I did do some swatches already. They both swatch really, really, really nice. Juvia's Place is an inexpensive brand, but they're a good brand. They're kind of like ColourPop or BH Cosmetics. These are really, really fun. This is the berries. Berries aren't as much my favorite, but these are like more purple pushing berries, so they're not bad. I might get some use out of this one, although it's not my favorite color story. It's not bad at all. The violets are more my story, or I like greens. I like neutrals as well. And here's that violets one. But they're nice. They're simple. They don't have mirrors. That's how they keep the cost down, but they're cute. And they perform really, like I said, really, really well. So I'm happy about that. So do I think it's worth $42? I think $42 is a little bit high for this one. I would have liked to have seen it more about the $39, maybe $35, because there was a lot of drugstore in it. But you definitely get your value out of the Boscias. That's definitely worth the $40. Maybe it's because I wasn't as excited about the Glow Recipe one and this Good Molecules because I feel like it's messy. Because these are like $8 each, so that's $24. This is probably about $30 for the Good Molecules. This is probably $80 for these two. This, I believe, is like $18 or $20, and then these are like usually $20 a pop. So, I mean, the value is there, of course, but I would have liked to have seen this box price maybe just a slight bit lower because there's a lot more drugstore in it, but I still think it's a great value. I have to say, TrendMood box has been my favorite new box to review. I love the products that we get in it, and if you stay tuned to my blog, lifestyle.ella, I will be doing a full review on this once I've had a chance to try everything and give you guys the nitty-gritty on that. All right, time for the quick things. If you liked the video, go ahead and like it. If you didn't like it, go ahead and dislike it. Please subscribe to the channel for more of the debauchery of us unboxing, different subscription boxes. And keep an eye out on my blog again. It's lifestyle.ella on Instagram and lifestyle by Ella on Facebook. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.